So now let's look at transforming a variable into a different variable. So we'll go to transform and we'll go to recode into different variable. This time let us use program level. So you click program level, send it across, and as I said, just like before, you could add multiple variables and then input the commands for each, but let us do one at a time. So you click program level and it gives you the opportunity to name the output variable. So let's just name the output variable program. And for the label, we want to put for this label program level. Good. Now you could put change, and once you click change, you see displaying old and new. So you go next to old and new variables right here. Click that, and then you're going to add the value. So with this now, because the original values are in text, you have to ensure that you write the exact same thing. If you don't, it will come up as missing values, right? So let's go with the first one. So remember that program level is an ordinal variable. So first one will be certificate, and the new value we'll put, let's use 1, and then you click add. So it shows you old and new. Second value would be diploma, and we're going to put a value as 2. That's the code that we'll use. So you see comes old and new, diploma, old, the new one will be 2. Then it's bachelor's. We'll put that as 3. Add. So here we see our old variables and we see the new ones. So once you're finished, you click continue. And everything is fine here. Then we click OK. So when we look across here, so program compared to program level, so here we are seeing now codes. So if you look at these codes, so you notice you see some decimal places, so that's the default. So if you want to change the decimal places, you go to the new variable here in variable view, and where it's the decimal, you click that, and you click the minus sign until it's at 0. When you come back to data view, you'd see here it's all numbers and no decimal points. But when we click this, we realize the numbers here are not changing compared to faculty here. And the reason being is because we have not added value labels. If you compare to automatic recode would have added value labels. But when you do recode into a different variables, it does not automatically add value labels. So you have to go to your variable view, come right here to value labels, and let us label our values. So the first value will be 1. Remember, 1 was certificate. And then you click add. Next value was 2, and the label for that will be diploma. Add, and you see it comes up. And then the third one was bachelor's. I'll click add, and you see all 3 are there. Then we click OK. And remember, we said this is measured on an ordinal scale. So let's click ordinal there. So now we go back to data view. Now in data view, we are seeing the value labels here. So if you compare each case, you'd realize that it's the same. And if you toggle here, you see the changes. So here we'll see the codes. We'll toggle again, we'll see the labels. And that is how you recode into a different variable.